Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape with another outdoor landscape transformation. As you can see on this landscape, what we did is we solved this customer's landscape drainage problem by dealing with the water that was coming in from the neighbor's yard. And by being able to do that, it allowed for us to come up with two different ways in which the water is going to be able to enter into this dry creek bed. The first of which is going to be from the hillside erosion that comes from the neighbor's yard. All of that water that would have once come off of this hillside, guys, is now going to be redirected into this beautiful custom dry creek bed. Now what that's going to do, that's going to allow for the water to be appropriated, slowing it down, sucking it up, but most importantly being able to take it off of the landscape. In addition, we had a tremendous amount of erosion that was taking place right here on the landscape just due to how much water was able to enter in the lowest spot of the landscape. And so I came up with another design that allowed for me to put in this beautiful custom dry creek bed opening that is also going to be able to take the water that would have moved through this dry creek bed off the landscape. Now we just finished our water test in order to ensure that the water is actually moving off of the landscape, and it's doing so in an exceptional fashion. But I wanted you all to be able to see exactly why we become the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected. And that's exactly what is taking place on this landscape. As you can see, the water that would have once been coming in on this landscape, guys, is now going to have to move through this aggregate as well as our river rock. Now, the reason why we use this beautiful decorative gravel is so that we may be able to suck up a tremendous amount of water in an area that doesn't grow grass. So if you're in a position and you need to deal with an area that stays muddy all the time, then the erosion control fabric along with the decorative gravel is an excellent solution, because it offers a one-time solution for you to be able to solve those type of issues. And so what we do is we work with you in order to make sure that you understand the quality that you're getting, and then most importantly, the way in which it's going to help you never have to worry about trying to solve your landscape drainage problems again. And this is all being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. Let me take you through this landscape some more. So as you can see on this side of the landscape, we put in the beautiful decorative gravel. This is a 1 to 2 inch size decorative gravel, so about the size of a golf ball. And what it does is it doesn't only act as a way for the customer to be able to utilize this space for outdoor sitting or any of those type of things. It also says that it deals with the water that would have been moving through the path of least resistance. Because this is an aggregate, it's going to be able to suck up a tremendous amount of water. And because I have what's called an erosion control fabric, it's just a black fabric that we put up under the decorative gravel, it ensures that the water isn't able to go into the bare dirt. And oftentimes when the water does go into the bare dirt, you get a lot of the rocks sinking into the ground, effectively making your landscape drainage solution no longer effective. And so one of the ways that we solve that is by focusing on putting it in the correct way, which is to install an erosion control fabric similar to a silk fence type fabric, guys. But it gives you the ability to be able to easily put in this beautiful decorative gravel. And we also use it for our dry creek bed. So when the water moves through the dry creek bed, it's now being sucked up by the rock rather than that of it being dealt with simply because of the fact that it's moving through the rock. That erosion control fabric allows us to keep the water from being able to go into the bare dirt. So these are just some of the ways in which we continue to give our customers back their landscape. It definitely says that if you're in the Paulding County area, that's where we're at right now, or you're in the surrounding areas and you're looking for a landscape transformation, well, guess what, guys? You don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, we've been solving customers' landscape drainage problem for over a decade now, and we'd love to do the same for you.